Welcome. In this video, we will explore the ancient grain that shaped civilizations, barley. Barley is a wonderfully versatile cereal grain, a member of the grass family cultivated globally. Originating in Western Asia over 10,000 years ago, it was one of the first domesticated grains. Its adaptability and rich, nutty flavor make it unique among ancient grains for modern cuisines. Rich in beta-glucan, a soluble fiber, barley is proven to help lower cholesterol levels. Those managing blood sugar or seeking sustained energy can benefit from its low glycemic index. However, barley contains gluten, a protein that can trigger adverse reactions in sensitive individuals. People with celiac disease or non-celiac gluten sensitivity must avoid barley to prevent harm. About 1/2 to 1 cup of cooked barley per day is a healthy, effective amount. Its slow-releasing energy makes it ideal for breakfast or as part of a balanced dinner. From ancient fields to the modern table, barley remains a nourishing and versatile grain.
Like and subscribe for more evidence-based nutrition content. All references are listed in the video description.